Just having a quick practice with this tool. It's a Schrader removal tool, and you can do it when the system is all fully charged, so these are brilliant. So basically I've took the low cap off. If you want to test it, just put a bit of refrigerant oil in there, and if it bubbles up, you know you've got a leak. Make sure you got the right one. I've already done it. Make sure you got the right size for your valve. And all we have to do is pull it all the way up, shut the valve off, hard one-handed, connect it up. It's going to be hard one-handed, and then when you push that down, you have to like turn it at the same time. Obviously you got to open the valve first when it's on. You should feel it just engage the valve. Now you can turn it anti-clockwise to undo it. You can feel it when it's loose, it just clicks when it turns. So just pull it all the way up, you should grip it. And obviously turn the valve off. Undo this top bit, and the valve's on there, look. Really easy to do. Great tool. So basically, you'll screw that back on. Just do it in reverse now. Open the valve back up. Slowly push it down. And turn it till you feel it stop. That's it. Really easy to do and an excellent tool.